Dear students, welcome you all to EPG Pathsala. I am Dr. S. Gandhimadi, Associate Professor, Department of Economics, Avinash Lingam Institute for Home Science and Higher Education for Women, Coimbatore. In this module, we are going to discuss about the application of Excel for statistical analysis. Introduction. We can perform various statistical functions in Excel. It starts with simple statistical functions such as the calculation of mean, median and more to complex statistical functions of probability distribution. The advanced statistical and econometric softwares such as SPSS, LEMTUP, EViews, etc. accept the data if it is in Excel form. Excel is very convenient to enter the raw data and to perform very basic mathematical and statistical functions. Simple equations can be estimated through Excel. The additional statistical functions are added with the advanced version of Excel. In this module, we are going to discuss about various statistical functions and demonstrate selected functions with examples. Objectives. In this module, the following aspects are to be discussed: to list out various statistical functions in Excel and to demonstrate selected statistical functions in Excel with example. The following are the important statistical functions in Excel. Count and frequency. Count. It will give number of observations in the given data. Then count A. It will give number of non-blank cells in the given data. Count blank. It will give the number of non-blank cells in the given data. Count if. It will give number of cells based on some criteria. Count ifs. It will give the number of cells in the given range of cells based on some criteria. Frequency. It will give frequency of given data. Percentile. Returns the kth percentile of values in a supplied range where k is in the range of 0 to 1. Percentile.inc. We can calculate kth percentile values in a supplied range where k is in the range of 0 to 1. Quartile. We can calculate quartile value for the given data. Rank. We can rank the values for the given data. Averages. It will return the mean for a given data. Average A returns the average of a list of supplied numbers counting text and the logical value false as the value 0 and counting the logical value true as the value 1. Average if. We can calculate the average of the cells for a given data which has some criteria. Average ifs. Calculation of averages for given data that satisfy multiple criteria. Median. We can calculate median value. Mode. We can calculate mode. Geomean. We can calculate geometric mean of a set of supplied numbers. Hormean. We can calculate harmonic mean for the given data. Deviation and variance. AVE, DEV. Average of the absolute deviations of a data points from their mean. DEV SQ. It gives the sum of the squares of the deviations of a set of data points from their sample mean. STDEV. We can calculate standard deviation for a sample data. VAR. We can calculate variance. VAR.P returns the variance of a supplied set of values. COVAR returns population covariance, that is the average of the products of deviations for each pair within two supplied data sets. Then covariance.P gives population covariance, that is the average of the products of deviation for each pair within two supplied data sets. Forecast. Forecast a future value on a linear trend line for a given x and y values fitted to a supplied set of x and y values. Forecast.ETS uses exponential function to predict future values. Forecast.ETS.CONFINT provides confidence interval for a forecast value. Forecast.ETS.STAT gives a statistical value relating to a time series forecasting. Forecasting.linear predict a future point on a linear trend line fitted to a supplied set of x and y values. Slope calculate slope of regression equation. Trend calculates the trend line through a given set of y values and returns additional y values for a supplied set of new values. Growth calculate exponential growth based on a set of supplied x and y values. Log EST it gives the parameters of an exponential trend for a supplied set of x and y values. STEYX calculate the standard error of the predicted y value for each x in the regression line for a set of supplied x and y values. Max it will identify the largest value in a given data. Min it will identify the smallest value in a given data. Min-ifs it will give the smallest value in a given data based on specified criteria. Large it will identify a largest value in a given data. Small it will identify a smallest value in a given data. Confidence intervals confidence it will identify confidence interval for the given data. Confidence norm it will identify confidence interval using normal distribution. Confidence.E it will identify the confidence interval for t distribution. Chi-test it will give the right-tailed probability of the chi-square distribution. Chi-square.dist.rt it will give the right-tailed probability of the chi-square distribution. Chi-square.dist it will give the chi-square distribution. Then CHIINV it will give the inverse of the right-tailed probability of the chi-square distribution. Then CHITEST it will give the chi-square statistical test for independence. Then CHISQ.test it will give the chi-square value. Then CORREL it will give the correlation coefficient between the two variables. And then expon.dist it will give the exponential distribution. Then expon.dist it will give the exponential distribution. Curt it will give the kurtosis of a data set. Log INV it will give the inverse of the logarithmic distribution. Log norm.INV it will give the inverse of the log normal distribution. Pearson it will give the Pearson product moment correlation coefficient. R square it will give the R squared value. Poisson it will give the Poisson distribution. Probability it will give the probability values in a supplied range and within given limits. Skew it will give the skewness of a distribution. Standardize it will give a normalized value. T-test it will give the student t distribution. T-test it will give the probability associated with the student t-test. Z-test it will give the one-tailed probability value of z-test. Log return the log values of the given data. Ln return ln values. Some of the important statistical function with examples below in Excel. Calculation of log values in Excel. Objective to find out the log value through Excel for the data given below. For example, we can calculate log values in Excel for the following data of family budget for annual household consumption. The data is given in the table. Then procedure, open the Excel sheet and enter the data in Excel sheet. Enter the title as year in column A and budget in column B. Enter the formula in C2 cell as under equal to log B2. Then copy this formula and paste it from C3 cell to C29 cell, or drag the cell address to C2 cell up to C29. The log values will be displayed for all the given values. Then calculation of ln log values. We can calculate the ln log values in Excel. Calculate ln log values for the following data. The data is given in table. Objective: to find out ln log values for the given data in Excel. Procedure: open the Excel sheet, enter the data in Excel sheet. Enter the title year in A1 cell and value of raw cotton in B1 cell. Then enter the year 1991-92. Enter the year in column A. Enter the value of raw cotton values in B column. Enter the formula in cell C2 as ln B2. Press enter. The above formula gives the ln log value for value in B2 cell. To calculate the ln log values for the remaining values, copy the C2 cell address and paste it for the remaining cells. It will display the log values for the remaining values, or drag the C2 cell to the remaining cells. Then addition in Excel. We can perform addition in Excel. Sum up the cost of company A and company B in Excel for the following data. Objective: to find out total cost in Excel for the given data. Procedure: open the Excel sheet, enter the title as cost of company A in cell A1 and cost of company B in cell B2. Enter the values of cost of company A from cell A2 and cost of company B from B2 cell. Then enter the formula in cell C2 as A2 plus B2. Press enter. The value will be displayed in cell C2. Then drag the cursor from C2 to C9 to get the other sum values, or paste the cell address in the remaining cells. Then multiplication. Multiply quantity of output with price to find out the value of commodity for the given data. Objective: to find out the value of commodity by multiplying quantity and price in Excel. The following are the procedure. Open the Excel sheet, enter the title quantity in A1 cell and price in B1 cell. Enter the data on quantity from A2 cell and price from B2 cell. Enter the formula in C2 cell as A2 plus B2. Press enter. The value of commodity for remaining cell can be obtained by copying the P2 cell and paste it in the remaining cell. Then division. Find out the per capita income for the following data in Excel. Procedure: open the Excel sheet, enter the title national income in cell A1 and values from A2 to A11. Enter the population in B1 and enter the values B2 to B11. Then enter the formula in cell C2 as A2 by B2. Press enter. Then values will be displayed in cell C2. Then drag from C2 to C11 to get the other values. Then mean. Calculate the mean for the following data through Excel. Objective: to find out the mean in Excel for the given data. Procedure: open the Excel sheet, enter the title as gross domestic product in cell A1 and data on gross domestic product from cell A2. Enter the following formula in cell C2 as equal to average, open the bracket, B2 colon B12. Press enter or go to all formula, then click statistical, click average. A dialog box will be displayed asking the range of cell. In that, give the range as B2 colon B12. Press OK. The mean value will be displayed. Then median. Calculate the median value for the following data in Excel. Objectives: to find out median in Excel for the given data. Procedure: open the Excel sheet, enter the title as gross domestic product in cell A1, enter the data on gross domestic product from cell A2, enter the following formula in cell C2 as equal to average, B2 colon B12, press enter or go to all formula, click more function, click statistical, click median. A dialog box will be displayed asking the range of cell. Enter the range as B2 colon B12, press OK. The median value will be displayed. Then we can calculate mode in Excel. Calculate the mode for the following data in Excel. Meaning: mode is the frequency occurring value in a given data set. The model value can be calculated by using the formula equal to mode, open the bracket, range of cells, close the bracket, press enter. Objective: to find out the mode value in Excel for the given data. Procedure: open the Excel sheet, enter the title as gross domestic product in cell A1, enter the data on gross domestic product from A2 cell in Excel sheet. Enter the following formula in cell C2 as equal to average, open the bracket, B2 colon B12, close the bracket, press enter, or go to all formula, click more function, click statistical, click more. A dialog box will be displayed asking the range of cell. Enter the range as B2:B12, press OK. The mode will be displayed. Then mean deviation. Calculate mean deviation for the following data in Excel. Meaning, mean deviation is called as average deviation. It is useful for finding the dispersion. Formula is equal to AVEDEN, range of cells. Press enter. Objective: to calculate the mean deviation in Excel for the given data. The procedure: open the Excel sheet, enter the title as gross domestic product in cell A1, enter the data on gross domestic product from A2 cell, enter the following formula to calculate mean deviation, equal to AVDEDV, open the bracket, A2:A12, press enter. The output will be displayed in the output file. The above result shows that the mean deviation is 272.7273. Then standard deviation. We can calculate the standard deviation in Excel for the following data. Objective: to calculate standard deviation for the given data in Excel. Procedure: enter the data on GDP in Excel, enter the variable name as gross domestic product in A2 cell, calculate the standard deviation for the given data by using the formula STEDEV, open the bracket, A2:A12, press enter. The standard deviation is calculated in Excel by using the formula in Excel. The standard deviation is calculated as 331.6625 for the given data. Various statistical analysis can be performed by using analysis option in Excel. Firstly, data analysis in the toolbar must be created. The following are the steps in the creation of data analysis. Click Microsoft Excel Office button, click Excel option. A dialog box will be displayed. In the dialog box, select add-ins, select analysis toolbar. Click OK. Click data in the main menu. Now we can see the data analysis under data main menu. In the data analysis of Excel, the following statistical analysis can be performed. That is ANOVA, descriptive statistics, t-test, correlation and regression. Descriptive statistics in Excel. Enter the data in the Excel sheet. Then click data in the main menu and click data analysis. Then click data analysis and select descriptive statistics and click OK. A dialog box will open and select input range as A2:A13 and output range as C2. Select summary statistics. Then next we can perform t-test in the data analysis option in Excel. Estimate the paired sample t-test, independent sample t-test for the following data. Procedure: enter the data on sugar level before food and after food in Excel worksheet. Go to Office button, click Excel option, click Select Add-in, select Analysis toolbar, click Go, click OK. The data analysis option will be displayed in the main menu of data. Click Data Analysis, select the t-test, paired 2 sample for mean, click OK. Give the variable 1 range as A2:A8, for example. Give the variable 2 range as B2:B8 and give the output range as C1. Click OK. The output will be displayed in the output range. T-test assuming equal variance. Click Data Analysis, select the t-test assuming equal variance for menu, click OK. Give the variable 1 range as A2:A10, give the variable 2 range as B2:B10, give output range as F1, click OK. Output will be displayed in the given output range. Then correlation in Excel. First, the following are the procedure. Enter the data on raw cotton in quantity and quality of cotton. Click data and click analysis. Then click correlation. A dialog box will open and select input range as A2:B13 and output range as C2. Click OK. The output will be displayed in the specified output range. Regression analysis in Excel. Enter the data in Excel sheet and click data and data analysis, select regression and click OK. A dialog box will open. In the dialog box, select X input range as A2:B13 and Y input range as B2:B13. Select output range as new worksheet C2. Click OK. The output will be displayed in the specified output range. ANOVA in Excel. Open the Excel worksheet and enter the data on the availability of raw cotton in city A, B and C. Click data and click data analysis. A dialog box will open. Select ANOVA single factor. Click OK. A dialog box will open. In the dialog box, select input range as A2 C13 and output range as D2. Select grouped by column and click OK. The output will be displayed in the output file. Then one sample t-test. Open Excel datasheet and enter the data on raw cotton availability in city A, city B and city C. Click data and data analysis. A dialog box will open. Click t-test. A dialog box will open. In the dialog box, select input and output range and click OK. The output will be displayed in the output file. Let us summarize. Various statistical functions available in Excel are listed. Entering of data for different analysis is more important. It must be given more attention. Selected statistical functions such as the calculation of descriptive statistics, correlation, estimation of regression equation, ANOVA, etc. are demonstrated with examples. This module may provide some idea to estimate various statistical functions in Excel. Construction of charts in Excel is not discussed as the scope of this module. Try to learn to construct charts in Excel. Moreover, all the available statistical functions are not demonstrated in this module. With some basic knowledge derived from this module, try for the remaining statistical function with real research data.